How's it going, everyone? Today, I'm gonna attempt to bring this absolute unit of a drill back to life. This magnificent Signal standard 1/4-inch drill. Not sure how old it is. So far, the only obvious problem is it's missing a cord. So I'm gonna start there. Got everything I need, some replacement cable.
Believe it or not, this video is probably around 12 years in the making. When I was in high school, a friend at the time, he had this drill in his basement and it was broken in this exact state. And I always thought to myself, man, this is such a cool drill, and I always enjoyed just playing with it and pressing the button, which was so satisfying to press. So one day I said, hey, you know what? I think I'm gonna attempt to fix this. I'm gonna take it home and try to fix it. Years passed and it was just in the back of my closet, staring at me occasionally. And if there's one thing that all these lockdowns have done for us, is it makes us kind of look into ourselves and evaluate our lives for what they are. And for me, it turns out I've been carrying a lot of baggage, both mental and physical, and the interesting thing about physical baggage is it becomes mental baggage. This friend of mine from high school, I don't even speak with him anymore, yet I still have his drill. I have moved with this drill, moved houses probably about 3 times now. And that's just part of my realization, you know, this drill, maybe someone else could use it. It's not really serving me any purpose other than, oh, I'm gonna fix it someday. It's like a middle-aged man who forgot the purpose of why he bought a 1965 Mustang to restore. There it sits in his garage, accumulating dust over the years, and the years slowly roll into decades. And sooner or later, the original purpose for wanting to restore it is forgotten about or is no longer relevant. Perhaps I just wanted to do something nice for a friend that I respected. So I hope he doesn't miss this drill, and I hope he can forgive me for fixing it and then donating it. As for the history of this drill itself, I can't really say much. According to my research, this company started as Menominee Electric in 1892. By 1919, they became Signal Electric Manufacturing Company, which is what we see here. And in 1952, a company called King Sealy Thermos Company purchases Signal Electric Manufacturing Company and starts manufacturing things like electric hand tools. So this drill's probably from the 50s, which makes it an impressive 70 years old, just about.
Then, I'm either gonna receive glorious victory or an electric shock. Leave me a comment down below which you think it will be. Alright, no electric shock here. Ooh. Alright. That's awesome. It lives again. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought this would be like one of those variable speeds, but that's okay. I'm kind of excited to give this thing a whirl. Now, this thing really, truly is just a drill, a simple drill. You can't change the direction of rotation. You don't get variable speed. I don't have this key for adjustment, so I'm just gonna have to do it by hand. You get nothing. You get drill or no drill. Ooh. And that's about it for this drill. I mean, there's really not much more to restore here because I think this is cast aluminum, so there's no rust, no nothing. It looks almost like it's brand new. Now, I don't have any use for this, so I'm just gonna donate this to Restore. Absolutely awesome drill and total pleasure to repair. That was fairly straightforward. Having never repaired one of these. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.